Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you how to change the aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. So, let's get started. As you can see here, we've got a clip in the standard 16:9 ratio. But what if we want to switch things up and make it vertical? Well, fear not, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First things first, make sure your video clip on the timeline isn't selected. If it is, you'll see a white border around it like this. Just tap on the video to deselect it. Once nothing is selected, changing the aspect ratio is a breeze. Down here in the bottom toolbar, scroll down to the right. And you'll find the ratio option. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a variety of aspect ratio options pop up. Since we're going for a vertical video, we'll select the 9:16 format. And just like that, our video format changes automatically. But wait, there's more. After changing the aspect ratio, you might need to make some adjustments to ensure your video fits perfectly. Fortunately, CapCut makes this super easy. Simply use 2 fingers to pinch out in the program window above to resize your video to fit the new format. And if you need to reposition the clip, just use 1 finger to drag it around. Voila! Our video now fits the new 9:16 aspect ratio perfectly. And there you have it, folks. That's how you change the format and aspect ratio on CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.